Imagine feeling constantly stressed about money, not knowing if you'll have enough to cover your bills each month. This was Sarah's life. She was living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and had no savings. One day, Sarah stumbled upon the teachings of Dave Ramsey, a well-known financial expert. She decided to give his advice a try, and her life started to change. Dave Ramsey is famous for helping people take control of their finances. He has helped millions of people get out of debt, save money, and build wealth. Ramsey's approach is straightforward and practical, making it easy for anyone to follow. In this video, we will explore 5 key rules from Dave Ramsey that can help you manage your money like the rich. These rules are simple but powerful, and they can transform your financial life. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start improving your finances today. Whether you're struggling with debt or just want to build a more secure future, these tips will guide you on the path to financial freedom. Rule 1. Live below your means. Living below your means is a simple but powerful rule. It means spending less money than you make. Many people spend all their money, or even more, using credit cards and loans to buy things they can't afford. This can lead to stress and financial trouble. But when you live below your means, you save money and avoid debt. Let's look at Sarah's story again. Before learning about Dave Ramsey, she bought expensive clothes and ate out often, even though she couldn't afford it. She was always worried about money. When she started living below her means, she made some changes. She stopped buying things she didn't need and started cooking at home. She made a budget and stuck to it. Soon, she saw her savings grow and her stress disappear. Living below your means doesn't mean you have to live a boring life. It just means making smart choices. Instead of buying a new car, maybe buy a good used one. Instead of going on expensive vacations, find fun things to do locally. These small changes can make a big difference. Statistics show that rich people often live below their means. They don't waste money on things they don't need. They save and invest their money wisely. According to a study, many millionaires live in average neighborhoods, drive used cars, and don't spend a lot on luxury items. They understand that saving money is more important than showing off. To start living below your means, first, make a budget. Write down how much money you make and how much you spend. Look for areas where you can cut back. Maybe eat out less or cancel some subscriptions. Next, set some savings goals. Decide how much you want to save each month and stick to it. Over time, you'll see your savings grow and your financial stress disappear. Rule 2. Avoid debt like the plague. Debt can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders, making it hard to move forward. Dave Ramsey's second rule is to avoid debt as much as possible. When you have debt, a big part of your income goes to paying it off, leaving you with less money to save or spend on things you enjoy. Think about John, a young professional who bought a fancy car with a loan. Every month, a large part of his paycheck went to car payments, insurance, and maintenance. He realized he was living paycheck to paycheck because of this debt. John decided to sell the car and buy a cheaper one with cash. Without the monthly car payment, he felt a huge relief and started saving more money. Avoiding debt means not using credit cards or taking out loans unless absolutely necessary. Credit cards can be especially dangerous because it's easy to spend more than you can pay back. Interest charges can quickly add up, making it hard to get out of debt. According to studies, people who avoid debt are more financially secure. They have more money to save and invest, which helps them build wealth over time. On the other hand, carrying a lot of debt can lead to financial stress and even bankruptcy. To avoid debt, start by paying off any current debts you have. Dave Ramsey suggests the debt snowball method. This means you pay off your smallest debt first, then move to the next smallest, and so on. This way, you build momentum and stay motivated as you see your debts disappear. Once you're out of debt, make a commitment to stay that way. Use cash or a debit card for purchases and only buy what you can afford. If you need to make a big purchase, Save up for it instead of borrowing money. By avoiding debt, you'll have more control over your money and a brighter financial future. Rule 3. Save and invest consistently. Saving and investing consistently is a key rule for building wealth. It means setting aside money regularly and putting it into savings and investments. This helps your money grow over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Let's look at Emma's story. Emma was always good at saving a little money each month, but she didn't know much about investing. After learning about Dave Ramsey's advice, she decided to start investing in a retirement account. She also set up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Over the years, her savings and investments grew, giving her financial security and peace of mind. Saving money means setting aside a portion of your income every month. Even small amounts can add up over time. For example, if you save $100 each month, you'll have $1,200 at the end of the year. It's important to have an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This can protect you in case of job loss or unexpected costs. Investing is about making your money work for you. Instead of just keeping your money in a savings account, investing allows it to grow faster. This can be done through stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. The key is to start early and invest consistently. Even if you start with small amounts, regular investing can lead to significant growth over time. Statistics show that people who save and invest regularly are more likely to achieve financial independence. According to a study, millionaires often start investing early and continue to invest throughout their lives. They understand that consistent investing is a powerful tool for building wealth. To start saving and investing, first, create a budget to track your income and expenses. Decide how much you can save each month and stick to it. Next, open a retirement account and consider other investment options. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. By saving and investing consistently, you can secure your financial future and enjoy the benefits of compound interest. Rule 4. Have a financial plan. Having a financial plan is like having a roadmap for your money. It helps you know where you're going and how to get there. Without a plan, it's easy to get lost and make poor financial choices. Dave Ramsey believes that everyone should have a clear financial plan to achieve their goals and build wealth. Take Jake's story as an example. Jake used to spend his money without thinking about the future. He had no savings and no idea how much he was spending each month. After learning about Dave Ramsey's advice, Jake decided to create a financial plan. He wrote down his financial goals, made a budget, and started tracking his expenses. This plan helped him save money, pay off debt, and eventually buy a house. A financial plan starts with setting clear goals. These could be short-term goals like saving for a vacation or long-term goals like buying a home or retiring comfortably. Knowing what you want to achieve helps you stay focused and motivated. Next, create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money each month. List all your income and expenses and make sure you're not spending more than you earn. This will help you save money and avoid debt. Tracking your spending is also important. Keep an eye on where your money goes each month. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. There are many apps and tools that can help you track your spending easily. Finally, review and adjust your plan regularly. Life changes, and your financial plan should change with it. Make sure to review your budget and goals at least once a year and make adjustments as needed. By having a financial plan, you'll have a clear path to follow. This will help you make better financial decisions, save more money, and achieve your financial goals. Remember, a plan gives you control over your money and your future. Rule 5. Be generous. Being generous is an important part of managing your money wisely. Dave Ramsey believes that giving is not only good for others, but also brings joy and fulfillment to your own life. When you are generous, you help those in need and make a positive impact on your community. Consider the story of Lisa. Lisa was always careful with her money, saving and investing regularly. However, she felt something was missing. After hearing Dave Ramsey talk about the importance of generosity, she decided to start giving a portion of her income to charity. Lisa found that giving made her happier and more connected to her community. It also gave her a sense of purpose and satisfaction. Generosity doesn't just mean giving money. It can also mean giving your time, skills, or resources to help others. Volunteering at a local shelter, mentoring someone, or donating items you no longer need are all ways to be generous. Studies show that generous people tend to be happier and healthier. Giving can reduce stress, improve your mood, and even increase your lifespan. It also helps you build stronger relationships and a sense of community. When you give, you create a cycle of kindness that can inspire others to give as well. To start being generous, first decide how much you want to give. Even if it's a small amount, giving regularly can make a big difference. Choose causes or organizations that are important to you. This way, your giving will feel more meaningful. Set up a plan for your giving, just like you do for saving and spending. You can automate donations to make it easier. Also, look for opportunities to give your time and skills. Sometimes, giving your time can be just as valuable as giving money. By being generous, you not only help others, but also enrich your own life. Generosity brings joy, purpose, and a sense of fulfillment. Following Dave Ramsey's advice to be generous can lead to a happier, more meaningful life. Managing your money wisely can seem challenging, but by following Dave Ramsey's 5 simple rules, you can achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.